Hey everybody, Shawn Stapinski at the Habegger Corporation. We're running some combustion analysis today, but one of the questions that always comes up is carbon monoxide or CO. You gotta be sure you're testing the right CO when you're testing an appliance. There's ambient CO, there's air-free CO. When you're testing an appliance inside the flue pipe, the only CO number that we're really concerned about is the air-free number. The air-free number subtracts things like oxygen and other things that are in the flue gases. It's pure flue gas. Think of it like this. If I have 2 cups of coffee, I have 8 ounces of coffee here, 8 ounces of coffee here, and I add cream to one of them, I still have 8 ounces of coffee in each one, but the one with cream is diluted with cream. That is ambient CO. It's diluted. We don't care about that when we're checking inside the flue pipe of an appliance. We care about the black coffee, pure CO. That's what we want to look for. You know, I'm of the opinion, you know, under 50 parts per million, I don't worry about. When you start getting close to 100, I look at it a little bit more. Anything that goes over 400 is probably, you know, a pretty serious situation. And those are probably a whole other video or a discussion. But let me show you on this meter. For this meter, we're using a Testo 310, and I'll show you all meters that I've ever seen for all practical reasonings have 2 different readings. Make sure you're reading the right one. Let me show you this meter over here. At the top here, you'll see the CO marking as air-free, so that's 14 parts per million. Down below is 9 parts per million. So it's reading the ambient, but you'll notice that the air-free is always going to be higher than the ambient. That's why we want to be careful with this one. You could be anywhere over 100 and have a situation where a furnace could be dirty or something going wrong, but if you're reading this number, it could be under 100 and you're passing that appliance as being fine when it's really probably needs some service. So make sure you're looking at the right numbers when you're talking about CO. When we talk about O2, which is probably the most important number when you're talking about combustion, we'll discuss that in another video, but most importantly, when you're checking CO, when you're walking throughout a house, that's ambient CO. When you're checking an appliance in the flue pipe, that is air-free CO, okay? I hope you find that helpful. Have a great day.